This was a game change for Thanksgiving turkey, you guys. Brine is one of the ways you can make your turkey tasty. If you don't want a bland turkey that doesn't taste good, that is dry, try this trick. So I have the full recipe like I said. In my shorts, I'm going to put it in the end screen for you to check it out. For your next coming Thanksgiving, you have to do your turkey this way. It makes it so tasty and very tender and moist. That's one thing about briny. And I shared it for people before the Thanksgiving. Some people did it and they testified that it was so tasty that it changed the game of their turkey. So that was how I did it, and everybody that ate it on the Thanksgiving said it was so good. I couldn't eat it that very day, but I ate it the second day. It was really good. It was moist, delicious, and it was not dry. Yeah, so that was how we did it. And enjoy the rest of the video. Please like, comment, hyper the video. You see something like a hyper, check it, hyper the video, share it out with friends and family, and look forward to the conclusion of this video because it's a part 1. Yeah, so and after I did that, I put it into the fridge for 24 hours. Yeah, so this is it that my daughter just opened. Yeah, so this is the brine. Yeah, this is brine. So we'll bring it out to wash it off now. Yeah, so it's so already. Wow, so I will wash it off now. Hey guys, we have come to Thanksgiving Eve, and right now we have some work to do. Yeah, so I want to marinate the turkey for tomorrow. I have Divine with me here. So I have some ingredients here. Sorry, are you okay? I have sage, I have thyme, and we have some green onions.
Hi everybody.
I have lemon
And orange.
We have orange.
We have orange.
Yeah,
and we have some butter.
We have butter that we're going to use.
Yeah.
And some other natural spices that we'll be adding.
And some turkey, finally. That's in the fridge. It's a big bag.
It's a big? Come here, come on.
It's a big bag.
You come here to my bag. Come here. We are not seeing your face very well. You're just saying
It has a big fat. It has
a big what?
A big fat pot.
A big fat pot. You're having a big
The
fat
biggest
pot.
fat pot in the world. That is red. This is the butt.
I'm patting it dry now.
This is the butt.
So the rice is patting it dry. We're going to start working now. Yeah.
It's mushy. I have a joke.
Yeah, so I've already washed it off.
I have a joke, everybody. Can I tell you something? A chicken? Oh, but he just moved. Look at
My fishery.
I wet my hand. I want to touch something. Look at that.
We are ready for work. These are the things I will put inside. Yeah, with some garlic. You guys can see that. Onions. I'm going to add. We have butter. We're using 3 butters.
No,
yeah.
4 butters.
No, we're not using 4. So we'll be mixing that. I have to blend some things now, which I will show you guys.
Blend this first.
Yeah. Put it inside. So the butter.
I'm going to use 4.
Don't use 4. So we are using 3. And I'm going to be blending some things.
You can use 3.
So
well, my brothers are going to hear me.
in the blender, I'll throw some thyme, some fresh sage, yeah, and some onions.
Green onions.
Green onions.
A doggy.
Yeah, these are the things I'm going to be using.
And some orange.
and the rest will go inside. I'll put my fresh thyme, fresh curry. I'll be throwing some adobo together with the mixture.
And this too.
I'll use some chili because I want it spicy.
Chili. I want a lot of chili. I want a lot of chili. Rosemary.
Yeah. Curry.
Curry, 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 curry.
So I have to blend it now.
I blend
With
it.
some juice. I'm blending it with some juice. I'll throw some juice in there from orange.
I want to throw some oranges. We have 2 oranges. Hey!
So just that way.
This is hard. I'm getting my exercise. That way, that way. Okay, let me get all of
That's
the juice.
Then I will blend it together now.
Everybody close your ears. Okay, we have to put water. Oopsie doopsies, we forgot. Everybody close your ears.
And the sauce. There you go. So this is 3 butter. You can see it's 3 butter. Yeah. So this, the things I blended, yes.
Can I mix now?
I'll put some salt.
Salty, salty, salt, salt.
So some lemon zest.
Can I do the lemon? I'm gonna do. No, where's the orange? You're supposed to do the orange.
No. So we're done. This is the mix of our butter. I will be putting it now. I'm gonna bring some paper towel. Paper towel.
Paper towel? Look.
Here's the turkey, you guys.
Let's do this. Now let's go.
Yeah. Don't use your hand. Yes, you. To come out. I want it to come out slowly.
No.
Why are you saying that?
If I say that, it's gonna come out.
Finally, we get. It was so messy. Next time, I will not want it to be instead of it to encourage me, but you're not encouraging me. Is that what you're supposed to be doing? Let's bring the oranges.
It's gonna turn out good, but we tried our best. Here, Mom, here's the onion, more onions. And more. Well, he's like, he wants to eat. Mom. 3 plus 5 is 8.
Good morning. Today's Thanksgiving Day. We are so grateful for life. So grateful for another beautiful stage of life. Thank God. Last year, one of my desires is that God should change our situation and give us a house, a personal home. And today we are in the personal home to the glory of God. I thank God for everything God has done in the past 8 years. God brought me to America. I thank God for giving me children, beautiful children, for my husband. Thank God for my family. Thank God for his protection. Thank God for everything God has been doing. It's marvelous in our sights. And this morning, we slept late yesterday. Hiya, Divine. And she was the first to wake up this morning while I was still sleeping. She's on my bed now with Daniel. So I want to put the turkey now. I know. I want to put the turkey now. I know. I want you love Daniel. I know you love Daniel. Oh, so you guys, this turkey almost give me heart attack yesterday. So let me show you now. This is the turkey. Let me go and put it in the oven now. I need to start preparing because today I'll be hosting people. I might not show you guys because I'm a person that doesn't like bringing camera to people's face. I'll be hosting some people today. Yeah, so I need to prepare some food. Yeah, I need to clean up the kitchen first. I'll start by doing that. Yeah. I don't have much time, so I'm just off camera. You guys, you will not mind me. This is goat meat that I'm preparing. I want to make a little fried rice. This is just butter and onions. And this is goat meat. This goat meat tastes so good. So I'm going to incorporate that into the fried rice I want to do. It's going to be like a toasted fried rice. Yeah. So, yeah. So that is what I'm up to here. You guys. Busy. I didn't even turn on the So I have few vegetables here, although I will use some other things. Yeah, that's the color here. I have some plantain. Yeah, you guys. So this is rice, and I'm doing air frying the goat meat now. So I have a lot of things to do. I still have a lot of things to do. So hence, I will not be carrying you through the processes. I have hosting by one. I have 4 people coming, so that's it. So I'm in the process of toasting the rice. So it will give it a very good flavor with some butter. That's what I'm doing now, and onions. I'll just show few things, and I have my vent on. That's why the noise is so pronounced. these are the food I made